Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. So what you see here is the Yale that I picked on my last video. I think it was video number 90. This was the 840, which is a slightly smaller than an 850 and has the more modern Yale keyway. So I finally got up the courage to do something that I've always wanted to do. I gutted this lock and made a key for it. So just taking you through what I've done, and again, this is not a how-to. There's a million videos out there where people show actual like gutting step by step. But first thing I had to do was drive out these pins that were holding it together, drive them all the way through until they came out the other side. That allowed me to pull the bottom out, but still the shackle was holding things in place. So I had to pull the pin that was holding the shackle in. That allowed me to fully separate the body from the works, the part that actually runs the lock. This is where I ended up needing a little assistance. I contacted Chris Capune because I wasn't sure how to get the actuators out. And what I found out was that if you drop the plug out just a tiny bit, not too much because you're going to end up losing your pins all over the place, drop them out a tiny bit, you can then move the actuators out of the way. Once I got the actuators out, I was able to gut this like a traditional lock. Beautiful results inside. You can see some mushroom pins, lots of them. In fact, 4 of the 5 were mushroom pins. If you remember, it was a very interesting pick. I then lined up the key pins in the plug and got a key blank. From there, a lot of filing. Took some files and one by one filed down the key until each element of the key lined up with the pins. And finally, able to put it back together, ending up with this. My first, well, not my first handmade key, but my first actual gut of a Yale to make a key. So let's take a look at the result. Fully operational. Alrighty, so kind of proud of this. I know it's not too exciting for you guys so much, but at least you get a look inside, get to see what is going on inside one of these things, because you can't really easily do that without a lot of pounding and a lot of fiddling. So there you go. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of well, what was going on inside, and hope you don't mind me being a little proud because this is something I have never done before. And there you go, a Yale 840 inside out. Thanks everybody, take care, have a great day, and do stay healthy and safe. If you get a chance, please do comment on the video. Also like and subscribe where appropriate. Thanks everybody, take care.